They don't build cars like this anymore, a time when luxury meant size, power meant cubic inches, and freedom came with the push of a button as the white top folded away. This isn't just a convertible, this is a rolling statement from 1966, powered by a 390 V8 wrapped in chrome and confidence, and built for a world where the open road belonged to those bold enough to take it. If you've ever wondered what true American luxury muscle feels like, you're about to find out. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love ultra luxury classics, open top cruising, and American V8 royalty, you are in exactly the right place. And before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because cars like this don't come around often and you don't want to miss what's next. Today, we're stepping into a moment in time when America ruled the road with chrome, confidence, and cubic inches. Picture the mid-1960s when highways stretched endlessly, gasoline was cheap, and the idea of a personal luxury convertible meant size, power, and presence. Sitting before us is not just a car, it's a rolling statement of status and style. This is the 1966 Ford Galaxie 500XL convertible, equipped exactly the way enthusiasts dream about, a 390 cubic inch V8 under the hood, backed by a bulletproof C6 automatic transmission, power front disc brakes, power steering, factory air conditioning, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, bucket seats, and that unmistakable white convertible top flowing over one of Ford's most elegant full-size bodies. From the very first glance, the Galaxie commands attention. The body is long, wide, and unapologetically American, with clean slab sides that stretch from nose to tail like a luxury yacht made of steel. The front end wears its chrome proudly, framing a bold grille that announces Ford's dominance in the full-size market during the Golden Age. Quad headlights stare forward with authority, while the sculpted hood hints at the big block power waiting beneath. This is not a car that whispers, it speaks with confidence, even at rest. Walk along the side, and the proportions are pure perfection. The doors are long and heavy, designed to make an entrance every time they open. The XL trim adds subtle but meaningful upgrades, elevating the Galaxie from a family cruiser to a personal luxury machine. The white convertible top contrasts beautifully against the body, giving the car a timeless, upscale look whether the top is up or folded away. With the top down, the Galaxie transforms into something even more special, an open-air boulevard cruiser built for sunsets, coastal highways, and endless summer nights. Slip inside, and you immediately understand what the XL badge stands for: extra luxurious. The bucket seats set the tone, wrapping the driver and passenger in comfort while reinforcing the sporty luxury intent of this model. This isn't a stripped-down muscle car interior. This is a cockpit designed for long-distance cruising. The dash stretches wide, finished with classic mid-60s design cues that balance function and elegance. Every knob, every switch, every gauge feels deliberate, built during a time when cars were engineered to last and styled to impress. Turn the key, and the heart of this Galaxie comes alive. The 390 V8 fires up with a deep, confident rumble, not wild or unruly, but smooth and authoritative. This engine was Ford's answer to buyers who wanted real power without sacrificing refinement. With the Holley 4-barrel carburetor feeding the FE Series V8, throttle response is immediate and torque comes on effortlessly. This is the kind of power that doesn't need to shout, it simply moves mountains when asked. Paired with the legendary C6 automatic transmission, the driving experience is seamless. Gear changes are smooth and composed, perfectly matched to the Galaxie's mission as a luxury performance cruiser. The C6 is known for its strength and reliability, and in a car like this, it delivers exactly what you want: effortless acceleration, relaxed cruising, and the confidence that this drivetrain was built to go the distance. On the road, the Galaxie feels exactly as a flagship Ford convertible should. The power steering makes maneuvering this full-size beauty surprisingly easy. Whether you're gliding through city streets or easing into a parking spot at a weekend car show, the power front disc brakes provide reassurance and control, a significant upgrade for the era and a feature that modern drivers truly appreciate. This is a car you can enjoy, not just admire. Drop the top and the experience changes completely. The sky opens up, the sound of the V8 fills the air, and suddenly every drive feels like an event. With the wind moving through the cabin and the sun reflecting off acres of chrome, the Galaxie delivers something modern cars simply can't replicate: a sense of occasion. This is what driving was meant to feel like. Factory air conditioning adds another layer of luxury, making this convertible just as enjoyable on hot summer days as it is on cool evening cruises. It's a reminder that this car was designed for comfort as much as performance. Ford understood that buyers of the Galaxie 500 XL wanted it all: power, prestige, and practicality, and this build delivers on every front. The 1966 model year is especially significant for the Galaxie lineup. Styling was refined, aggressive without being overdone, and perfectly aligned with the era's optimism. Ford was at the height of its powers, competing fiercely with Chevrolet and Chrysler for full-size supremacy. The Galaxie 500 XL convertible represented the pinnacle of that battle. A car that could cruise all day at highway speeds, turn heads everywhere it went, and still light up the rear tires when the mood struck. This exact configuration is what collectors and enthusiasts chase today. The combination of a 390 V8, automatic transmission, factory AC, power options, bucket seats, and convertible body places this Galaxie firmly in the premium category. It's not just rare, it's desirable. It's the kind of car that stands out even among other classics because it strikes such a perfect balance between luxury and muscle. Imagine pulling into a show, the top down, the engine idling smoothly, sunlight bouncing off the paint and chrome. Conversations stop. People look, some smile, some nod in appreciation, others simply stare. Older enthusiasts remember when these cars were new, when they ruled the road. Younger fans see something larger than life, something bold and unapologetic in a world of small, quiet cars. This Galaxie bridges generations, but beyond the show field, this is a car meant to be driven. Long stretches of highway feel effortless. The suspension soaks up the road, the engine hums comfortably at speed, and the cabin feels like a rolling lounge. This is the kind of classic you can spend hours behind the wheel of, arriving relaxed and satisfied, not worn out. The 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible represents an era when manufacturers weren't afraid to go big. Big engines, big bodies, big ideas. It's a reminder of what American automotive luxury once meant: not screens and software, but steel, horsepower, and craftsmanship. This car doesn't need to prove anything. Its presence alone tells the story. If you close your eyes, you can almost hear the era it came from: the crackle of AM radio, the distant sound of other V8s on the road, the feeling of freedom that only an open, top classic can deliver. This Galaxie isn't just transportation, it's emotion, it's nostalgia. It's power and elegance wrapped into one unforgettable package, and that's what makes this exact build so special. Not just the specs on paper, but the way they come together to create an experience that's timeless. The 390 V8, the C6 automatic, the XL interior, the white convertible top, every detail contributes to a car that feels complete, purposeful, and deeply satisfying. If you're enjoying content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who appreciates true American classics. We've got more ultra, luxury, cinematic car content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. This is the 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible, big, bold, beautiful, and built for the open road.